Hi, it's Ken Davis, President and Founder of Advantage Certified. Today I'm featuring a really nice bike. This is a 2009 Victory Kingpin. It's their big heavyweight cruiser, beautiful machine. This one's finished in gloss black. There's not a nick, chip, scratch anywhere on this bike. The chrome is perfect. It literally still looks like a new motorcycle. One of the reasons for that is that this bike, although it's a 2009, I believe it was a dealer demonstrator because the factory warranty just started on March 1st of this year, 2012. And at that time, the promotion was that it came with a 1-year warranty from Victory plus the 1-year Polaris Protection Plus extended plan. So it has 2 years of warranty from March 1st, 2012 to March 1st of 2014. It's heavily optioned. As you can see, it's got the beautiful leather saddlebags. It's got a really nice sounding aftermarket exhaust. It's got the little passenger backrest and a really nice set of Curriaken grips with the throttle rest. So that's the machine. The tires are still in good shape. We just went over the bike. It has a fresh VA inspection on it, and we ship all over the United States. So I'd be glad to talk to you myself. Just pick up the phone, give me a call. And thanks a lot for taking the time to listen. Have a nice day.